Yeah, I just want to share with y'all like a simple trick that I do. I say if I mess around that's all made with VSTs or key groups, I can change the transpose. What I'll do is like say I got this track here, right? Right? That's fine, right? But what I'll do is I'll go here, up in transpose, and I'll just pitch the whole track up until I find something I like. So to me that works right there. Alright, so that's just my little tip. Go to psychokit.com, support your boy. Also, guys, join the Facebook group. MPC Family is a positive, no drama, free plugins there. We give out free sounds. There's a lot of information. We would love for you to join. Peace.